This video provides an illustration and brief overview of every form in this package. Viewing this video in total will offer you insight to forms that you may have overlooked in your brief introduction to this all-inclusive package. This is our version of the traditional waterfall model depicting a step-by-step approach to application development. All of the 30 forms in the JumpStart package fall in the appropriate phase shown on this model. The project concept initiation phase provides the high-level determination if the project is worthwhile via a review of the project charter, business case, cost-benefit analysis, and definition of the team to move the project forward. The project charter provides the business goals, objectives, and management direction for starting the project in this initiation phase. The business case document identifies whether there is a potential business value to the proposed project idea or initiative before the organization commits time, resources, and expenditure. The project team definition identifies the business and technical groups and individuals responsible for the phases and approval of the project. The project planning phase establishes an initial view of the intended software product that helps establish the basic project structure. The statement of work provides information that will be performed in the project, including business objectives and project description. The project approval document formalizes approval for the project by all contributors. This development estimating spreadsheet provides the opportunity to estimate development costs. The roles and responsibilities matrix displays key project activities and details the responsibilities for each individual or role across every functional department. Provides a matrix of key project activities, e.g., functions, tasks, documents, or phases, and who is responsible for approving them. This MS project schedule plan establishes both project execution and project control. The system requirements phase defines the major functions of the intended application or system. The business requirements document defines the general business requirements for the project, identifies business and end user requirements, problems or issues, project information, process information, training, and documentation requirements. The business requirements presentation provides a PowerPoint presentation shell to review the project business requirements with the stakeholders and business users sponsoring the project. Defines the functional requirements for the project, including the different levels of business and end user requirements and the functional areas of the business processes. The requirements traceability matrix defines a method used to verify the association between the requirements shown in the requirements, specifications, and other project documents, including design and testing documentation. The system design phase starts with approved requirements as its initial input. Design elements are built for each requirement. Design elements describe the software functions and features in detail. The system requirement specifications provide more details to the project's high-level requirements, including detailed information so that the system can be built to satisfy those system requirements and quality. Defines the technical requirements for the project to a sufficient level of detail to develop a system design and allow testers to test the system. Software features and functions are tested during the test phase, generally in a separate test environment. There are various types of tests, e.g., unit, integration, system, stress, regression. This document provides a central artifact to govern a strategic approach of the test effort. It defines a general approach to be employed when testing the software and evaluating the results of that testing. Documents all system requirements denoted in the requirements, specification, and design documentation to plan and execute unit, system, and integration tests. Provides management an overview of the system, applications, functions, and features that are to be tested in the UAT process. This list provides a status of all bugs detected during unit system integration and user acceptance testing. The project monitoring and control phase is where you become the watchdog over the project via data that is collected from project technical and frequent status meetings. This document provides the status of all project action items. This document is used to individually identify each issue that may impact the project and identify who created and resolved the issue. Summarizes the project status, including project activity information about the project, planned activities for the next period, and deliverable description and status, management changes, risks, and issues status. Documents the meeting date and time, participants, meeting minutes, conclusions, and action item status. This phase provides for production installation and customer acceptance of the software. Provides information for the installation of the system, application, or data, including installation strategy, planning, and risk factors and security. The production implementation plan provides a last step in formal approval and implementation of the project. The production turnover approval provides a process that ensures changes to the production environment are planned, approved, tested, executed, and reviewed in a systematic, efficient, and controlled manner. This phase provides for the business and technical personnel to evaluate how well the project was executed and to quickly request minor changes once the production baseline has been established. The Lessons Learned template provides an opportunity for reflection after a project has been completed. It is highly beneficial to record what worked well within the project and where improvements can be made. Used to review system application change requests to evaluate and approve technically sound and secure changes to the production environment and to limit potential impact to business capabilities. Documents a disaster recovery plan as part of an overall contingency plan to complete that restoration task and keep the company running. Provides detailed instructions for retirement of a system or application. These project management forms can be branded to your organization by customizing numerous parameters, including your company name and logo, copyright statement, and more. As with any Office document, you can then optionally make changes to the content at any time. Our project managers, business analysts, and technical writers have been adding forms and templates to our ever-increasing inventory since 2007. To view our inventory, type in the name of the topic on this page into your browser to view information on professionally developed packages and individual forms.